Hey guys, this is Mr. Jai for your second video. So today I decided to teach you guys how to make a little flying rocket using a straw and construction paper. So super easy materials you have. So hope you guys find this useful and enjoy. Okay, so for the materials you're gonna need construction paper. You're gonna want to cut it in half. Some scissors, a straw, tape, and another color construction paper to make like the little wings. So after you got your construction paper, you can cut it in half, and then get the straw and start folding it like this. So put it at the tip and fold it in slowly like that. Make sure that's in a straight line. So something like that. Now get your tape and tape like the little edge. So tape it something like that. And then just repeat it in the middle and then in the edge too. So that it is for Okay, so after you have it, you just take off your straw, and then for the tip, you just kind of fold it in like that, so a triangle shape, and then tape the top part. So something like that. Okay, now that your main body's done, now get a different construction paper color. And basically here you can just design your own thing. So get a pencil, and I might be adding like pointy wings. So you're welcome to follow me along or make your own. Okay, so now cut after you have the wings. Something like that, and then just cut out the other piece too. It doesn't have to be perfect, but here there are my two little wings. So now I get tape. I'm gonna tape like the little edge. So put your tape here, and then just line it up wherever you want it. So something like that. Make sure to put it on the right side. Something like that. Then just get the other piece, and with the remaining tape put it on the other side. So something like that. And then I'm gonna be adding like a little cone for a little head. So you just cut off a little square or triangle, and then you just kind of morph it in or put it like that. Then after you have like the little mold, you just cut it in a triangle shape. and then just tape the edge. So tape the edge, and then separate it, and then kind of put it inside the little thing. So something like that. And you could get markers or color pencils and add like little flame designs, clouds, whatever you want. And then after you're done, just kind of put it in the straw. Don't put it all the way up. Put it like halfway, and then just blow at the end of the straw, and it should fly off. So hope you guys enjoy.